went to sleep, Detroit City, and I dream about those cotton fields at home. I dream about my mother, the old Baba, sister and brother. I dream about that girl who's been waiting for so. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Oh, I wanna go home. Home folks think I'm big in Oakland City. From the letters that I write, they think I'm fine. But by day I make the cards, and by night I make the pie. If only they could read between the lines. You know, I rode a freight train from Oakland City. After all these years, I find that I've just been wasting my time. So I just think I'll take my foolish bride, put on to the southbound freight and ride, going back to the long ones. The long ones that I'll wait for so wanna go home. I wanna go home. Oh, I wanna go home. Go home. I wanna go home. Oh, I wanna go home. Wanna go home.